viewers, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, you people are wonderful. You are the reason why I am here. You are the reason I am still here. Okay, so thank you my returning subscribers. Thank you my would-be subscribers. I love you all. Thank you so much. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare perfect Nigerian buns. It's actually a snack for some people, and to some people it can also serve as a meal, maybe breakfast or dinner with pap or custard. Okay, but some people it can serve as a snack with you can just wash it down with any drink of your choice. Okay, so let's look at our ingredients. This is my flour. I'm using 4 cups of flour. I'm using this is half cup of sugar, and I'm using two eggs. So I'm using half cup of milk. This is half cup of milk, and I have my melted butter. You use 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I will also be adding, this is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. The cinnamon is optional, you can decide to skip it. Okay, and make sure that all your liquids are chilled. It has to be cold. Okay, this doesn't need to be room temperature this time. It has to be cold. Okay, in another big bowl, I'm going to add all my dry ingredients. I add my flour. I add my sugar. I add my sugar. I add my cinnamon and my nutmeg. And I also need to add my baking powder. My 1 tablespoon. So I will use my wooden spatula to combine my dry ingredients properly, to make sure that everything are evenly distributed. We are going to add our wet ingredients. I'll be starting with my egg. So I add my milk. So I add my butter. So look at the consistency. So I'm going to allow this to rest. I'm going to allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Just for 10 minutes. Then I will come back and we'll start frying straight away. So this is vegetable oil in the pan. Okay, so you have to fry this in a medium heat. Okay, if you fry it in a low heat, it will absorb so much oil. Okay, if it's in a high heat, it will be half done inside. So you maintain a medium heat. Okay, so let's check if our oil is ready. Okay, it's still not ready, so we have to give it some time to be ready. Okay. So you can apply oil or water on your hand, or you can use ice cream scooper to scoop in the dough and oil, but I'm going to use my hand to do that. Napkins on your sieve, okay, so it will help absorb the excess oil and the buns. Okay, I think our oil is ready, so let's start putting our buns. Just put it this way. Doesn't need to be the shape that it doesn't need to have have a perfect shape, sort of. So just try as much as you can. For one side to brown, then while I turn the other side, this one to help. Okay. I love the crabs. See these crabs already. Having some crabs. And having some crabs. Yes. to repeat the same process with our buns. Looks and tastes so delicious. I want you to give this recipe a trial. Okay, give it a trial, you will be glad you did. Okay, so this is where we are going to draw our curtains. Okay, today. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Okay, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, and remember to press the notification bell so you will get notifications on our new videos. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.